Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Control Board has decided to reject leases to mines who don't have Chief Wildlife Warden's water approval. 107 renewals are under scanner. If the board follows buffer zone of 10 kilometers, then all the mines in state are likely to be shut down.
The first segment is those mines that have got no issues, where we can issue a consent to operate under water and air, provided the team that inspects them now verifies that there is no water or air pollution taking place or having taken place. The second segment is that we have got those mines that do not have Chief Wildlife Warden approval or don't have the FCA, that's under the Forest Conservation Act. To them we will not consider, we will reject them. And the third category was those that hearing is going on by virtue of that High Court order. So in fact in the next 3 weeks or so we'll hear them, because they have got issues concerned with excess mining, encroachments and EC validity. Yeah, correct. If the government issues us any notification, we have to follow the government regulations in this regard. We will not go against any of those things. So we will follow. If the government regulation says that your mine is within the buffer zone of 1 or 2, we will have to follow that road. We will not allow. We will not permit those things. Yeah, so we'll have to wait. Whatever existing is there, I think we'll have to wait. They are in the process of doing it. Anyway, right now the EC is suspended. There's no question of any mine starting so soon. So we will, in the next 2-3 weeks, we will hear them. We'll see what's going. By which time, if this circulation also comes to us, we'll study that and we'll make a decision.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
Thieves struck a garment shop in Madgaon late night on Monday. The owner of the shop claimed loss of around 17 lakh rupees. He also claimed that 35 to 40,000 rupees were stolen from the shop.
Thieves struck one of the popular garment shops in Margaon, Jinnah's, on Monday late night. The preliminary information says that the thieves entered the shop by breaking the window. Owner of the shop, Imtiaz Sheikh, claims a loss of 17 lakhs.
I am shocked to see all this, very shocked to see all this, and I am not in the frame to speak, and police is doing for the investigation.
So what is the expected loss?
Expected has we verified now, and since the police asked me what is the damage, what is this thing. As per our verification, we found nearly about 15 to 17 lakhs as a major blow.
So then any cash is robbed?
Cash nearly 35 to 40,000. That was in the counter.
Margaon police filed the Panchanama. This shop is situated right in the heart of the city. It is surprising that this robbery could take place when the state police boast of rise in police patrolling at night. Our reporter from Margaon, Savio Dias.
Nube MLA Mickey Pacheco has alleged that police officials are hand in glove with criminals. He addressed a press conference with aggrieved fish folk on Tuesday to raise their issue of allotment of space behind municipality.
The murder issue continue. It should continue. I had seen some police is still going on. You tell me police can't crack down the murder. Why they going to crack down the murders and theft cases? So that is my point. And I'm very much sure the South has been very much involved. It's everything happening under his nose.
Mickey also raised the issue of the fisherfolk. He said that he would take up the issue with the CM, and if the issue is not solved, they would opt for extreme steps.
मुझे पहली मदत सांगाचे लोक तांकां रस्त्यार घालनाका. ही मुगे क्लियर मेसेज म्युनिसिपालिटी सीओ तुमी ह्या लोकांक कोणें ह्या भाटकारान तर एनओसी दिल्या तांकां थिंग दोचे तुमकां दिसता तो जागो ती बरे भाशेन वेवस्था आसतना वेवस्था करपाक बरे भाशेन हायजीनीक करपाक हांव तरी खात्री घेता आनी कोण दिता.
But chairperson of Margaon, Arthur De Silva, has this story to tell.
अजून नाव वाडून दिना मागीर ना हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दॅट. तुगे नाव दिल जाल्यार तूं कितें करून दिता मारिया पेद्रो सातान एश कोन. यू हॅव टू गिव फूल सरनेम न्ही वीथ युअर दिस थिंग फोटोग्राफ. बाबा तूं खरें पयलें दिला काय ना तें चोवपाक जाय. आनी बिश्टें येता आनी जाय पयलीं आतां 11 जाणां आसलेलीं 15 जालीं 20 जालीं आतां 22 कितले जाले आतां 22 जाले.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.